Hi there. I want to go over your test with you. I think you're all going to do really amazing because I've been seeing your exit tickets and your mid-unit test, and we did some review on a couple things that were difficult for us, and I think we're ready now. So there's a couple important things that I've been noticing that happen sometimes. Sometimes we forget to scroll down because there's questions below. Sometimes we um, don't realize we're supposed to click all of the answers. So I'm just going to go through these. You're just counting the cubes here. Make sure you listen to the questions and then you pick the correct answer. This is one that I want you to be very aware of. I want you to have your whiteboard out and ready. It says, which ways show 65? Tap on each way, so that means all the ways that show 65. Then tap the box on the top to show where to put it. So you have to go through. There might be some that you know right away, and you'll click on them and move them up to that's how you move them. And you can move them back if you change your mind. But you'll click on them, click on the box up here, and you'll need to go through each one of these because even if you don't notice it right off the bat, if you don't notice right away, it still might work. So I would use your whiteboard and draw a picture of all of these ways. There might, like I said, the ones you know right away, move up. The other ones, draw a picture and see if it does make 65. This one's really important. So make sure you find all the ways that make the number 65. This one is an important one because on this one you have to scroll down. So there's quite a few questions. They're easy ones, but you put your answers in the box. So some of you are putting your answer in this one and this one and this one, and then you're forgetting this one down here. So please on this one, make sure you scroll down, okay? This is the one that one more than 82 is, and it gives you a little chart over here that you can use. One more than 85. So make sure you scroll down on this one. Say scroll down. Good job. And this one, you can scroll down a little bit if you want to use this pad to enter in your numbers. Remember, if you make a mistake and you need to delete something, you just press this back button. So if I press 8 and I'm like, oops, I don't want that, I just press that delete button and it deletes it, okay? If something happens that's weird, say you have 44 there, you can click out of it over here. And then if you just click right here, and then you can go back and delete it, okay? This is another one. All the questions are up top, but if you want to use this, you need to scroll down and make sure you answer each question and put them in the boxes. And listen to these questions. I recommend you listen to the questions more than one time, just like we do with our math problems. It really helps you understand it better and not make little mistakes that you actually know. Same thing here. You'll scroll down to use the pad down here. This is one where there's a question hiding. And this one's hard because this is hard to see on a screen. So when you look at the groups and you find 10, you're going to want to first make sure that you found 10 flowers. So check and see if there's 10 going down, but you're going to want to count it. If not, check and see if there's a group of 10 going across. So make sure you found a group of 10 and you can use your finger to maybe follow along and count them, count the groups of 10. I noticed last time they had a picture and it had 4 going down, and some of you thought it was 5. So you counted your groups as 10s going down. So make sure you find a group, you count your group of 10, then you count from there. And you scroll down. So this is how many groups of 10 are there. You would put in how many groups of 10, and then make sure you put in how many flowers there are total. Don't miss that one because it is hiding down there. Okay. And I think that's it. So there's some that you need to make sure to count. There's some that you need to make sure you scroll down. And there's some that you need to make sure that you go back. going to let me. And there's some that you need to make sure that you find all the ways. Find the quick ways, and then the ones that are left over, check each one to be sure it doesn't also make 65, okay? Good luck, and I can't wait to see how you do and share with you how you did.